Alright guys, so looks like the order may have come through for drone cams. What else we got? We got the RC Sailors. Wait, yeah, we've sent the information, and where is that? Captain America, I mean Captain Drone. That cool guy who keeps making me spend money on drones. Anyway, I hope I can get some stickers. I don't know if I can get any stickers from Captain Drone and RC Sailors, but I did get some from drone cams because you can buy them directly off of the YouTube here. I hope I can still get some from Captain Drone and the RC Sailors. So I got this cool shirt from those two. So we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. But yeah, good times, good times. Big shout out to everyone.
Likey